Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Aveola video chat subscription. Okay, Aveola video chat is providing you subscription model, so how you can cancel your subscription if you have taken any subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you you need to visit on the area where you have originally purchased your subscription. If you have purchased your subscription by using your Android mobile, you need to visit on your Play Store and you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select payment and subscriptions. Okay, and then you need to select subscription, you need to select your app, and then you can cancel your subscription. If you have purchased your subscription by using App Store, then you need to open your iPhone settings, and once you are on the iPhone settings, you need to tap on your Apple ID, you need to select subscription, you need to select your app like Aveola app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Okay, so these are the only options by which you can cancel your subscription. There is no other way. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.